All right, welcome to the Hard Rock Los Cabos storage kitchenette area. Refrigerator. You know what goes on in the refrigerator. No need to show you that. So this is the community area. Don't mind our stuff. Got some little pictures and things. A little couch situation. TV. Desk. Balcony. And the cool thing about this one is that the room opens out to the balcony. And this is the bathroom. Got your sink area. Got your shower. Big old tub. Yeah, buddy. And then you got your other sink area. Me. And giant TV, storage, and for the coup de grace, the balcony with hot tub, seating, good view of the pool, but most importantly,